Hello guys, come back to the channel. Let's start today's new tutorial. First open your image, open the hue/saturation tab. In these tab you guys can find out Colorize option. Select that option to move the hue mover to the bluish color. Now open the layer tab and select hue/saturation tab. Change the blending mode into lighter. Open curves tab, press Alt plus Auto. In curves tab select enhance monochromatic constant and sand neutral midtone, hit OK. Open the layer tab and select curves tab. Change the blending mode into the multiply and change the opacity to 50%.